I got a bag quite recently from 24S. I was about to do a true unboxing video on it, but lucky I didn't because it turned out to be a massive fail. So I did purchase one of my dream peekaboo bags. I was just shocked at the condition this bag is in. So this bag I purchased from 24S. It looks like it's from Vestiaire Collective, isn't it? Well, I'll give you a quick zoom in. So it says, what does it say? Fendi Peekaboo, made in Italy from 24S. Remove the tag, then you know this is yours. But if you look at this bag, it looks like a used bag. So this one was the only piece that was on the website. I ordered it on the Monday and it arrived on the Friday, so I unboxed it on the Friday and I was just shocked at this condition. On this turn lock, it doesn't even have the sticker. This side it does. It's got the card here which says that it is a Fendi Peekaboo from 2019. Like inside there's no marks or anything, like it hasn't been worn, but I think this is definitely a display piece because like it feels like a lot of people have just tried this on and off, that it's softened so much and that it's got like these marks all over it. You can see it's fully stretched out. I got it for a fantastic price on 24S. Once in a while they have wrong prices. 24S is the online side of Bon Marche, and if you've been to Paris, you've heard of the Bon Marche department store, which is a huge department store in Paris, and it's owned by LVMH, which is a part of the Louis Vuitton group. So they also stock some Louis Vuitton bags on there. So this bag was $4,800 in January, and then they had a price increase. It went up to $5,200, and then recently in June they had a price adjustment. It has gone up an extra $100, which is now $5,300. And this bag was listed on 24S for $4,700, so it was $100 less than the January retail price. So I got this one for $4,700. You get 6.5% cash back with a shop back. Fantastic cash back, which I saved $275. And because I had a voucher from my very first purchase with 24S from purchasing that woven one, all up I ended paying $4,100 and something, and then minus the cash back I paid about $3,800 and something, which is such a great price. But because it's a display piece, I'm definitely gonna have to return it. I mean, I don't think they do exchange because there's nothing left on their website, so it's just like a one-off piece. So I'll just give you, yeah, a quick size comparison. And the thing with the micro and the mini peekaboo, the strap is quite thin. I don't mind the strap on the micro peekaboo, but the strap on the mini peekaboo, I think that they need like a thicker strap. I just wish this was perfect, otherwise I would have kept it. So this mini peekaboo came packaged in this box. I was like, oh, maybe they squished it in here. So I had a bad feeling as soon as I saw the box. So I'll share with you how it came. You've always got these really cute little Paris Eiffel Tower pop outs. And then when you open the box, the bag came in this tissue paper. It was in the middle, so I slid it out, and then it came with this Fendi Dust Bag, which is the black one, and then literally it had one piece of tissue paper. The shoulder strap was wrapped in this, and I thought, oh no. And then I took it out, I could feel it was softened up already, and then this was just like how it was, like that. And I was like, oh, is that all? Yeah, I was just like fully shocked. Such a shame with this one though, because I mean, it's like this gorgeous, luscious, was it Napa leather, which is like this buttery smooth lambskin. So it is quite soft, so it will wear quite easily if you overstuff it. I don't know. Oh, it's such a shame with this one. Otherwise I would have kept it because yeah, the price was such an amazing price, and you know, I love the peekaboo. So I forgot to mention this. Before I purchased this one from 24S, I was obsessed with Global Rakuten. I purchased my Chanel Duville tote from there. I purchased a few other things from there. They're such a fantastic website. Such a shame that it closed down. So Rakuten is like a Japanese eBay. It has since closed down and turned into Rakuten Ichiba, which is like a full Japanese version, and I can't read Japanese. But before I purchased this bag, I saw one at a fantastic price that was listed on Rakuten, and it was mint, like new. It came with a box, came with everything, all the cards and everything, dust bag, everything, and the seller was Gallery Rare. And because of this COVID thing and lockdown, there were shipping restrictions with EMS and with DHL, so Japan was stopping all shipments coming out of Japan to other countries. So I couldn't even really purchase it in a way. It was listed on there for about 2.5 weeks, and I was thinking about it because I just purchased the Fendi woven peekaboo, and because of what was happening with COVID, I thought, yeah, I'll just wait. Especially at the time, my Rakuten account where you can get cash back was frozen for some reason, because I used Rakuten quite a lot to get cash back. My Rakuten account was frozen. I tried to rectify that. They were very slow at getting back to me, and I missed out on this bag, but I don't think that they would have shipped it to me, and they would have cancelled my order anyway, because I did try to purchase 2 more items from Rakuten and they had to all cancel my order, which was such a shame. Yeah, so I missed on that bag, and I'm like, you know what, I'm waiting for 24S to bring in the classic iconic mini peekaboo. I'm sure they will have it, and I hope it's a good price. And I received, I'm like, oh, it's like all battered and stuff, which is such a shame.